So magandang araw Kabola. So sunod-sunod nga po ang update dito nga po sa sitwasyon nitong si Justin Brownlee. At of course, hindi naman niya nakakagulat kasi ito talaga yung biggest talking point niya yun sa Philippine basketball, Kabola. And then in this video, of course, we will tackle the other imports po. May two favorite imports to watch na mga bago po dito po sa PBA. So may hindi pa nakasubscribe, Kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito na nga po, itong Hinebra po, hindi na daw nila contest po yung positive test itong si Justin Brownlee. Kumbaga, hintayin na nilang po nila kung ano yung sanctions na ibababa po ng FIBA, Kabola, and then they will just follow. So, again, if this is the decision of Hinebra, I think this is very sound, no? At na-explain naman po ng maayos ito ni Sir Alfrancis Chua, Kabola, kasi tama nga naman, yung pong set B nila na test po or urine nitong si Justin Brownlee, pasaparehong urine lang din naman po, 'di ba? Sa time din na 'yon, sa paghihi niya. Yun din po yung kinuhanan. So parang niloloko lang nila yung sarili nila. And for me, this justifies talaga na legit po yung naging testing. Kasi legit, kumbaga, inaamin nila na may naging kababayaan sa pag-treat dito kay Justin Brownlee na hindi nila yun na-anticipate, Kabola. At yun nga, imbes na ipaglaban ito and risk na masuspend po siya ng sobrang tagal, Kabola, they will just take this. Now, of course, Hinebra will now be in a predicament, di ba? This is their guy, the guy that led them to a lot of championship, Kabola, and there's a good chance now that he will miss minimum siguro 2 buwan, Kabola, or the entire Commissioner's Cup. So, there's a chance, Kabola, that for the very first time in a while, Kabola, na walang Justin Brownlee tayo mapapanood sa isang season po, Kabola, ng PBA. So, Hinebra is now on the looks for replacement import, Kabola. So kung fans ng Hinebra, sino pong import yung gugustuhin mo po na subukan nila? Pero knowing Justin Brownlee po, they can do it in two ways, like a clone of Justin Brownlee, wing size, Kabola, that scores very well, that pass very well, Kabola, or a big man. Kasi kung titignan mo kasi yung big man rotation nila, medyo injury prone na talaga si Aguilar, so medyo reliant na sila kay Stan Hardinger. So, pwede rin talagang malaki yung kunin po nila para maiba naman, Kabola, lalo't 6'9 naman po yung maximum height po dito, Kabola. Now, in terms of import, these are the two favorites of mine na I'm watching out. First one is the import chosen po by Phoenix, yung dati pong player ng Los Angeles Lakers. Now, it's not about him being a former Lakers, Kabola. It's more about the reality that first, talagang nakatagal po siya sa NBA, and he even provided good stats po when he played in the NBA, Kabola. Yun po yung amazing dito kay Jonathan Williams. Secondly, is that in his international career, Kabola, he always put up efficient numbers. So, can you just imagine now that he's in the NBA, di ba? Doon efficient siya. Now, nasa PBA siya. Gano'n pa kaya po siya maging efficient dito? And I do believe that he will play for a team that will actually place very well with him kasi modern type itong team po ng Phoenix, and he is a very athletic import. So excited ako kung paano po magme-mesh itong Phoenix with Jonathan Williams. And then of course we have Dajuan Summers na the old but still good import of Rain or Shine. 35 na po kasi ito. He is still a very interesting import in his last stint po, Kabola, in Beirut. 28.4 points pa rin po yung mabutan po na kanya pong averages. He is not much of a shooter, but he is really a scorer, He is really a scorer. And with his vast experience, Kabola, not only of course in International League, but also in the NBA, talaga may excite din ako kung paano po siya gagalaw dito po sa NBA. Especially na, of course, second choice po ito, ng Rain or Shine. So talagang piling-pili na ito, Talagang, kumbaga, nasala ito, Kabola. So tignan natin, kung ito po ba yung import na makapagdala po ng panibagong kampeonato kay Coach Yengge. Kung babalo sa palagay mo, sinong import po ang magdadala sa team nila sa kampeonato? Comment na po sa baba.